So I'm a little confused because someone the other day told me that they believe they made the best chicken in the world. But I live in the world that they live in, so I mean. So this is how we're gonna start. We're just using chicken drumsticks today. Just make it nice and simple. I'm Jamaican, so I'm actually gonna wash my chicken. Sorry for the non-yard man out there. So in terms of ingredients, we've got oregano, we've got chicken seasoning, we've got paprika, we've got onion powder, garlic powder, and salt and pepper. See, nothing too crazy. Oh, and sorry, I forgot spring onions. Spring onions. Can't forget the spring onions. So right now we just have four pieces of washed chicken. Sorry guys, I had to wash my chicken. And we're just gonna go in with the ingredients. So about a tablespoon of onion powder. Cool. Tablespoon of oregano. Cool. About a tablespoon of chicken seasoning. Love chicken seasoning. Tablespoon of paprika. Cool. And a tablespoon of garlic powder. Cool. And then we're about to give in about a handful of spring onions. Oh, screw it. I got 2 handfuls. I really like it. We're just gonna salt this a little bit. About a tablespoon. Actually, no, about a teaspoon. And we're just. So this has been marinating for like 3 hours in the fridge. I just took it out. So I got the oven preheated on 250 degrees. So we're just gonna pop these in. Okay, one by one. Just give them a little space. Okay. Great. Okay, let's take it to the oven. Okay, so right now that's preheating on 250. And this should be done in about, I don't know, like 40 minutes. Yeah, so right now chicken's in the oven, and I was just thinking, how could someone actually think they can make chicken better than me? Like, seriously, do you not know what my chicken does? Like, yeah, I know I got a Marvel poster in the back, so what? My chicken game's still the one. It's still fine. We need to eat the chicken with something, so I got some oven chips that we're just gonna fry while the chicken's in the oven. So yeah, the stove right now is boiling, hot oil. So you know, there's some chips in there. Come on, don't be scared of the oil. Everybody in. Cool. Give that stir. Chips should be ready in literally like 5 minutes. Chips doesn't take long. But as the chicken's probably going to be finished in about 5 minutes, so they should be done around. Okay, so the chips is ready. You can kind of tell when chips is ready just by the color and the fact that the chips is flowing to the top. So we can turn that off now and just put it in the plate. Chicken is ready, guys. I just salted the chips. I did a bit of salt and pepper. So chicken's just coming out the oven now. It's been about 40 minutes. Okay. Yeah, that looks Come on, guys. Come on. That looks amazing. Yeah. 30 minutes. That's all it took, bro. Bro, this is. I'm actually so gassed over this. This is gonna taste, bro. This is going to be the best tasting chicken you have ever had. Trust me. Follow this recipe, and I promise you will not regret it. This is so great. Just gonna add a little ketchup on the side. Cool. Yeah. Ready.
Okay, so I'm so happy with this. Honestly, this is the best chicken that I think I've actually ever made. I don't know why people actually try me sometimes. Okay, so start with the chicken. Okay. That's amazing. Let's get rid of chips. Shit, that's the chicken, bro. It's hot. It's so hot. Trust me, guys. Try this chicken. Try this chicken, and you'll love it. Honestly,
Just a quick fire tips. I would say number one, you have to make sure you marinate your chicken, you know. Even if you got like 40 minutes, it's not fine. Preferably do it for a few hours. But if you got 40 minutes, that's fine. Because your chicken ain't going to taste as good if you just season it and put it straight in the oven compared to if you actually just marinate it and let the seasons actually soak into the food. Also, I would say don't use frozen chicken, man. Listen, I know you get chicken from Iceland and it's frozen. Trust me, don't use frozen chicken. Let it defrost, let it get close to room temperature, and then season it, man. Just give it a few hours to defrost first, you know. Just take it out of the fridge for a little while. Third thing I would say, really just check on your chicken, because you don't want it to burn and you don't want it to be undercooked. Yeah, but chicken's pretty simple. Like, you shouldn't really have too many issues with it.